Hello and welcome to Will It Microwave. I'm your host, Barge Panta. You know, some skeleton keys can open almost anything. So with this skeleton key, open Georgia GE turntable microwave oven. So we open them up, he's really dirty, but I don't have to explain why. Anyway, so how long do you think I should put it in there for? Let's do for 3 minutes. And go! Yeah. Oh god. That was not the key. Oh man, it is not the key that is sparking. Well, okay. That is not the key that's sparking it. Oh wow, the key actually did spark. Oh god, it's hot. Let me put on my glove to touch it. Whoa. We are gonna put it back in there. I just have to see. We're gonna take it off the turntable. Let's take out the turntable because I want to make sure that's what that's sparking. I mean, you know, it just, yeah, and then it goes into the pile of stuff. But anyway, alright, let's set it for, I just want to see that's what that is. No, that is not what that was. It is not doing anything. But remember, I said that about the floppy disk and it caught on fire. Yeah, so nothing happened. So, will a skeleton key microwave? You won't know. I have an idea. Ah, jeez. It's hot. In case you were wondering. I don't see anything. I see a little bit of burn. Well, this is a brass-coated skeleton key. I don't see. Maybe if I put it, wrap it up in tinfoil. Sorry about this. I am cameraman and host. Hee. But anyway, yeah. Let's wrap it up in tinfoil. Maybe that'll do something. I don't have a clue. So I want this to spark. Well, you know what? No, we have to take out the turntable because that is what is making it spark. Just take out the little spinny thing too and drop it in. Alright, we still have 237 left. Go! Yeah. No matter what I do, it is not going to spark. Only the turntable sparks. So, will a skeleton key microwave? No, it won't. 'Cause nothing, I say nothing, happens. The sparking was just with the turntable. I can prove that. Just turn on the turntable, and we should get sparking. See? You see the sparking? So, yeah. It's nothing is wrong with my microwave. This thing is hot. Jeez. So it goes into the pile of stuff that has been microwaved. And, oh jeez, you know, I don't get that. So this is it for Will It Microwave. No, a skeleton key won't, maybe, I don't know.